How to change your age on Roblox. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to update your age on Roblox to avoid any age restrictions on the platform, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to change your age by editing your birthday on Roblox. Firstly, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the three horizontal dots. This will take you to the More section. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings page, choose Account Info. In the Personal tab, locate the option for Birthday. Ensure that your birthday is set correctly to avoid any age restrictions. Make sure you are older than 13 years old. It's even better if you are 18 or over 18. You can tap on any of the three boxes to edit your birthday. First box is for month, second box is for born day, and third box is for birth year. I want to change my birth year, so I will tap on it. I want it to be 2007. For every change made in the month, day or year boxes, you will receive a one-time verification code on your registered email address. Enter the 6-digit code you received in your email to confirm the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your age on Roblox. You can also choose to verify your age, but this is not mandatory for now. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.